Let me give her money to wash my clothes them. So just bring your clothes them and some soap. What's she saying? I come for pick up my clothes, Miss Laundry Lady.
Oh! Let me get back the bag.
I pay you, know.
Thank
Give
you,
thanks.
sir.
Yeah, man.
Okay. Let me pick them up on.
Yeah, man. How many kids you have?
Only 5.
You have 5 children.
Yes.
How old are they?
Well, the oldest one is 17. The youngest is 8.
Wow. So, how you manage to send them go school?
No, basically only 2 of them is with me.
Mm-hmm.
One is going to Homewood Technical right now, and another one is going to Mandeville Craft Institution.
They're all doing good?
Yes. The only problem I have though, at times things can be a little bit hard. But differently, they're getting there.
How do you get through the hard times?
Well, I raise chicken and pigs for a living.
Yes? So you have no chicken around here, sir?
Yes, I have 100 chicken at the current moment.
Where? In the back?
Yes, in the coop.
You have to go show me, man. So then when we not buy chicken, you sell chicken today?
No, I don't have any ready one at this moment.
Are they all organic? You know, boost them up with nothing?
No, just water and feed.
No boosting of the feeding?
No.
Okay, because I know people boost them chicken on.
Well, basically, I eat my chicken, so.
So you don't really want nothing for poison you?
No.
So you, pigs, how many pigs do you have?
At this moment, I have 2.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. A big one and a little one.
So you'd love to expand your business, right?
Very much.
Wow. So how long you've been growing chicken and thing? How long you've been?
Well, I've been doing the chicken for a little over a year now.
Mm-hmm.
It's up and it's down, but
You like that business?
very much.
Why is that?
Well, for one, I'm a single parent.
Yeah. Single.
Yes.
And a 5 you would you say you only have
No, but only, like I said, only 2 of them.
only
live
2
with
of them.
me.
Yeah, yeah.
So,
So
what I do with
why
the
so much
chicken-
Jamaican people single? Woman single.
Repeat that?
Why so many Jamaican women single?
Maybe because we're making some of the wrong decision when it comes to men.
Okay. Because the decision start with you.
Yes.
I'm glad see a woman said that, you know. Because, you know, a woman will say, no, the man them walk less.
Well, at times I could say that, because I don't meet a father that is stand up.
Mm-hmm.
No. But like I said, on one hand, being a single parent is not easy. Children to go to school, children to feed, children to clothe, it's not easy.
Mm-hmm.
And when I think about going out and do like domestic work,
Yeah, yeah.
all right, when I'm out there doing that kind of job, who is here taking care of my children?
Yeah, yeah.
Nobody. So basically there would be, say I would left them by themselves then.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
So when I look at it, doing the chicken, I can spend time with them.
Mm-hmm.
I can see their everyday move, worse you have girl pitney, and they come to a certain age.
Mm-hmm. And what age are they again?
Well, my oldest daughter is 17.
Uh-oh. That's the age.
Yes, and
So you
that's
have
the
to be
age
around.
I was when I have her.
Oh, when you had her, you definitely have to be around.
Yes.
So you're around. So the chicken farming help you for, the chicken rearing help you for.
Yes. To send them to school. Well, basically, my older daughter, she gets a little help from her grandmother.
Mm-hmm.
She's overseas, so
Okay.
she helped her. But the little one now, I had to do everything. Both mommy, daddy, everybody
Yeah?
for her.
Wow. How old are you, if you don't mind if I ask?
Well, right at this current moment, I'm only 34 years old.
Mm-hmm. So your career, you didn't finish school or
No. Never get to.
any intention to take any courses?
I have it in mind, but not at this current moment because when I started to go to school, who is going to take care of the children?
True, true, true.
So, I have to think about sending the girls to school and then
So you born and grew up in Norway?
I could say that. Miss Virgie Palmer around here is my grandmother.
And
I
you,
could say I born and grew up here.
do you love it around here?
Yes.
What are some of the reasons why you love it here?
Okay, for one, Norway is a place like this. When I am here, I'm a very friendly person.
Yeah.
Like you see, I don't have a little grung or so. Some guys pass I could say. And I have a piece of yam. Yes, I get a few banana at times. Yeah, Norway I find it just home.
Home.
Yeah.
Very homely, kind
Yes.
people. And what are some of the things you don't like about it?
You have some people, they stick their nose in the wrong places.
Oh, they stink, you know, sticking your nose in the wrong place is a wrong thing, you know.
I know.
Okay, the drama,
Yeah.
the gossip,
Yes.
the inner people business all the time.
And that is something I don't like.
You don't like that. You like to mind your business.
Yeah.
You have some panga nut here.
Yeah.
So when them grow up, they wanna pick them beer. Wow.
And the kids, they mostly eat them.
The kids them. These are beautiful. You know, I born now right over there, so my girl, this is my home.
Here in Manchester?
This is where I born and grew.
Yeah.
When I was a little baby, I left to St. Mary.
Oh.
I lived in Portland, St. Catherine, St. Mary, Spanish Town, Kingston, Manchester, Clarendon, and Maypen. I lived in a lot of places in Jamaica until I was 14. So if I lived in all those places until I was 14, that means me never settled down nowhere.
No, it's just going around.
Yeah, man. So I kind of understand Jamaica on a level where a lot of people have never seen it or experienced it, you know?
Yeah.
But Manchester is where I was born. This is the real life. So is that your kitchen?
No, that down that side is my mother's.
Okay.
Yeah. Up where I am, this is where
This is you.
Yes.
And the chicken are down there.
Yes.
Okay. So you buy it. How long did chicken take to grow?
6 weeks the latest.
Six.
The earliest.
6 weeks.
Yes.
So your turnover is fast. People around here like your product?
What, the chicken?
Yeah.
Yeah, you sell it. Sometimes we sell it to some persons in the area. Sometimes we have to take it all the way to Mandela.
And the people in the wholesale, they like it?
Yes.
Okay. Do you pray for the chickens before you inoculate them?
I always
Do you pray for chicken before you annihilate them?
I always do.
Do you name them?
No.
You know, you know, no personal attachment.
No. For the chicken, I don't get so close with the chicken because if I should get so attached to the chicken, then I wouldn't want to eat them.
Yeah. It does.
Like the hog, no, I.
You get attached to the hog?
Yes.
You hog of a name?
I call the both of them Whitey.
Whitey?
Yes.
So they're the one that produce other piglets?
Yes.
They're pretty big.
Yeah, one is bigger than the other one. That
Whitey.
one under the tree there, he's the father of this one over here.
Okay. Did you learn from your mother, or who do you learn?
Well, basically, I grew up with my grandmother. She died.
Sorry to hear that.
20 years ago. Yeah. I grew with my grandmother.
Anybody in the States? Family?
I wouldn't say yes, you know.
Because.
If I said yes, I would be lying. Growing up, coming up, I didn't hear of any. No.
But you love your Jamaica.
Yes. I hope is to get up there one day.
To abroad?
Yeah.
Care of babies or anything.
The
Elderly.
Yeah.
I make the connection, I make the video, I send it out to the world.
Okay.
And then, you know, when we recorded Baba, the bunk called Baba, to give him a loan because he realized what he said on the film. So you never know, you know.
Okay.
I'm gonna go walk down here to see if I see these chicken. Come show me the chicken. Yes, yes, Jamaica. This is Randy hanging out with the real farmers. Lovely cat you have here. What's the name of the cat?
Well, he's not my cat, so therefore I don't know if he has any. He's
Hello.
a very wild cat.
Oh, it's a wild cat. A lot of wild cats around here.
Yes.
So this is Whitey.
Yes. Whitey number 1 and Whitey number 2.
Whitey number 1 and Whitey number 2.
Yes.
And what time do they get feeding?
Oh, I feed them like about 9 o'clock this morning.
9. I remember this smell because I grew up in St. Mary and it was just this muddy with the pig them. We had a pig named Betsy, a big black one.
Okay.
Let's see this. Real Jamaican life.
Okay.
Whoa. Nice organic chicken. Yes, I knew that.
Yeah.
So in another, you say,
No, 3 weeks or
3
so.
weeks, I'm ready.
Yeah.
Beautiful life you have here. Give us your name again.
The name is Nadine.
Nadine.
Yes.
Thanks for the tour. I'm Randy.
Pardon me?
I'm Randy. I'll be here another week or so. Whitey. What you say? You eat pear?
Yes.
You eat pear.
Except he doesn't want to eat the grass. I don't know why.
Which grass you give?
If I give him the Spanish nigger, he doesn't eat it.
Uh-huh.
I gave him one they call the hog hook. He doesn't eat it either.
Oh, you have another pig down there?
Well, that's my mother's kid.
Okay, okay. Whitey, what go on? What you say? 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 You must get some trumpet leaf.
To do what? They eat the trumpet leaf?
Try it, man. You ever tried?
No.
Try trumpet leaf. I remember we used to give them trumpet leaf with boiled breadfruit. We used to make hog food. We used to boil the breadfruit. Them love the boiled breadfruit. You ever boil breadfruit for them? Or you buy feeding for them? What you buy for them?
Well, I'll give them the bag feed.
The bag feed.
Yeah.
Boil the, get a big pot. Throw the breadfruit tonight. Boil it for them like every week. Them love it. And banana too. Them love boiled banana and breadfruit. So that, when we used to feed our pig in, we used to boil food for them all. We never used to give them food, you know, we used to give them just boiled breadfruit, trumpet leaf. I think, if I'm not correct, but yeah, man. Good stuff.
Okay.
This was a great. So I'm gonna put this video on YouTube,
Okay.
and then the whole world I go. It's what I have friend of my Kingston. I said, Nadine, me see you. Me see how you hug them, you Whitey. No, the whole world know your business. I said, Nadine, we never know say you raise hug. Proud mother,
Very, very proud mother.
proud life,
Yes.
and beautiful flowers right there, so.
Yeah.
Do you plant flowers?
Yeah.
You planted this one?
Yes.
Oh, this
And
is
there's
beautiful.
one on the outside as well.
Which one?
Yeah.
This is beautiful. Love. Are you planting them here?
All right. These over here belongs to my other sister.
The sister for the house.
Yes. But over here, these are all mine.
She's getting married.
Yes.
Oh, these are beautiful. And what do you call these?
Well, these are called the Joseph coat.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. This one here, I'm not sure what this is. I'm not sure what it is.
People online them know them. I'm gonna text it. And this one here, them call something of thorns or something like that.
Yeah.
Look at these little things that come on my pants. You remember them in the mountains?
Those are maca.
Yeah,
I would say the barbar.
yeah. These are nice. Yeah, man, you beautify your thing with the carrot tire.
This here is my Jerusalem peas. It's plant over here, but it run over.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
And the beer peas?
Yes.
And you plant gungo too?
Yes.
So you're planting in your car tire?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I don't have where to plant it, so I just get a few tires and I just drop them
Yeah,
in
this
there.
is good.
Yeah.
So you have to plant some kalu now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nadine, yeah man, give thanks.
Okay.
Where you coming from? Where you coming from? Why are you wearing your father's shoes? Talk to me. What happened? You have to talk to me, Amiro. Why you not at school? Talk to me. What?